Hello, have you been looking for a house on a couple of acres, maybe in the trees? Well, I've got you covered. This is a brand new listing just outside of Grangeville in the Mount Idaho area. My name's Musick. I'm with United Country Real Estate, and I'd love to invite you in and show you around this new listing. All right, as you enter the front door of the house, you come into the family room. Nice, big, and spacious, and has these beautiful picture windows to look out there. This area, you're gonna have a lot of turkey and white-tailed deer that'll come visit you here. We have a brand new propane stove right here to heat the house. And we're walking in the dining area, which flows immediately into the kitchen. We want you to know that this nice side-by-side Samsung refrigerator stays with the property. You have the built-in microwave and stove. The dishwasher was broken. All the plumbing is there, but it does need a dishwasher. This is part of an estate. We're gonna walk down the hallway now, and to the right, real quick, is the laundry room. And that door right there opens up into the two-car garage that has a electric garage opener. Then if you go back straight across the hall, we have the bathroom upstairs. And it has a stand-up shower, and it's actually kind of a Jack and Jill that goes right into the master bedroom. This is a pretty spacious room, has a nice big closet, goes much deeper on each side than the closet doors. Anyways, let's go downstairs and check out the basement. All right, welcome to the basement. This is a daylight basement. Got a nice big window here, but more importantly, we got the big sliding door. And so you can actually access outside very easily here in the basement. This would be the family room area. It's actually pretty spacious. They did have a large entertainment center there and TV and couch, and there's plenty of room in here. Then if you want to come down here to the hallway, there's two bedrooms down here. This would be the first bedroom. Walking around, again, being a daylight basement, you have that window at pretty low height. So plenty of safety there that you have an emergency exit if ever needed. Then we have the bathroom right across the hallway. And then coming out of the bathroom, we have the third bedroom, second one down in the basement. Has a nice deep closet that goes underneath the stairs. But that's not all this property has to offer. Stay tuned, I have something else to show you. All right, we're on the back porch now. This is a nice big porch. You're gonna be able to come out here and just really enjoy your property here in the quietness. We've had a tom turkey sitting down here just calling away. He sounds so big, I bet his beard would rival mine. But I also want to take this opportunity real quick. I'm the only broker in this area who does videos like this, where we walk you through the house and you can really get a great sense of what the house is. So if you appreciate it, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. And maybe more importantly, I'd really appreciate it if you called me to show you the property. I know a lot of people love to use Zillow and Realtor.com and those other sites. Just know those agents are paying to capture your name. If my content is the reason you want to come out here and look at the house, I'd appreciate it if you called me. Now let's go check out the shop. All right, now we're walking towards the shop here in the backyard, and it is a nice big shop. You can see it's got two big roll-up openings there. Now granted, he did not put insulation in there, he didn't pour concrete, didn't put the doors on there, but you got the basic building put up. So if you're at all handy, I bet you could probably do most of the other work to get this into a nice shop if you want, or of course you can always just leave it like it is, and it'd just be some outside storage that's nice and covered. There is some, this is an estate, and we do have a few more loads to go to get rid of some stuff, the personal property here. But anyways, this is a beautiful property. I'd love to bring you up here and show you around. Again, my name's Musick. I'm with United Country Real Estate out of Grangeville, Idaho. And please give me a call, and I would love to come show you this house.